Howie. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going to be making 된장 Jjigae, which is the soybean stew, Korean stew. So here we go. Welcome to Who's Cooking. So guys, I welcome you into my kitchen. Like I said, we're going to be making 된장 Jjigae. So obviously the most important thing is making the soup broth, okay? If you only have water, that'll work. But if you want to take it to a whole nother level, you gotta make your soup broth. Okay? So if you don't remember this, I used this for my sundubu jjigae, and if you missed that video, again, I'll link it down in the description below. But once the water starts not boiling yet, I'm gonna put in 1 packet of this guy. And then we're gonna cook it on a high heat for about 15-20 minutes, and then reduce it to a medium heat, and then cook it for another like 10-15 minutes, alright? Stay tuned! Okay, so let me go ahead and introduce the ingredients to 된장 Jjigae. Again, that's fermented soybean paste stew, Korean style. What you see in front of me is everything. I'm gonna go over it in a little bit more detail. So we're gonna need 1 spoon of this guy, which is soybean paste. I'm gonna put in a ½ spoon of that guy, which is gochujang, okay? Which is red bean paste. 잘 봐줘, 이해해줘, okay? And these are chopped onions, zucchini, potatoes. Potatoes are gonna take a little bit longer to cook, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in first in a pot of boiling soup broth. Enoki mushrooms, enoki. These are red peppers, jalapenos, because I like things to be spicy. Obviously, you can't miss tubu. This is a 찌개용, okay? Stew based. So you could go ahead and put that. Notice how I cut them up into nice isosceles triangles, you feel me? And then some chopped green onions for garnish. And I love jjigae in my 된장 Jjigae. This is personal preference. You can leave it out if you want. Me, I need this. And it actually changes the soup, you know, the flavor of the soup that much more. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I transferred some of the broth a little less than halfway because once we put in all the ingredients, it will rise a little bit, and if it's too little, then we can always add in more broth. So this is on a high heat, and like I said, 1 spoon of 된장 Jjigae, here we go. It's probably not gonna come off as easy, but that's fine, okay? Keep putting this in and then work its way around, and it'll dissolve after some time. Catch y'all soon! Okay, so it's fully dissolved. Next, I'm gonna put in a ½ spoon of that gochujang, okay? This is also gonna go in. Okay. Work it around, wait until it fully dissolves. It may take like a minute or 2. Come on, let's get it! Guys, so it's boiling nicely. I mixed the gochujang and the 된장. First thing, remember I said earlier, you gotta put in the potatoes. So let me grab the potatoes, and I did wash my hands. Wait a second, I just realized this is gonna like 튀겨. 에이, 모르겠다. Bam, son, you see that? Yeah. And let that cook for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add in the other veggies. Yeah, it's cooking nicely. Okay, so let's go ahead and add in the other vegetables, these 2 guys, mainly zucchini, onions. So, here we go with the zucchini. Woo! Zucchini's in. Onions. Woo! Yeah, buddy. I missed some more vegetables. I'm sorry, guys, my wife's not here. I'm trying to do 2 things at once. Film and cook. 잘 봐줘, 이해해줘. 응? 많이 흔들려도 사랑을 담아서 하는 거니까 이해해줘. I'm pouring all my love into this. And let's bring this to a boil. Wait another like 5 or 6 minutes, and then I will show you. We're actually almost done, so stay tuned. Guys, what do you think about this? This is Who's Cooking. 이제 박수 쳐도 돼. 박수 쳐. 고마워. I'm just kidding. I'm actually a humble person. But anyways, it's cooking beautifully, and give this another like 2-3 minutes and you could serve it, okay? I gotta try to taste this. Oh shit, I gotta lower the fire. 얌전하게 끓여주세요. 끓어. 옳지. Perfecto, perfecto. I gotta try a taste of this. Y'all know how I did in my sundubu jjigae? I gotta try a taste of this. Yeah, 기가 막히로다. This is amazing. And there you have it. Best 된장찌개 on earth. Whose cooking style? Please like and subscribe. Click on that notification bell so you guys are always aware whenever I post new videos. Give this a thumbs up. Spread the word. Let's feast. Peace.